In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Framer app step by step so you can get it installed on your computer quickly and start using it right away. Whether you're on Mac or Windows, the process is simple, and I'll walk you through each part clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to framer.com/download. This is the official Framer download page, and using the official website is always the safest way to get the app. Once the page loads, you should see the download options available for your device. If you're using a Mac, click the Download for Mac button. If you're on Windows, click Download for the Windows. Make sure you choose the correct version for your system, because that will ensure the app installs properly. After you click the button, the file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few moments. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or click the downloaded file directly from your browser. If you're on Mac, you may need to open the DMG file and drag the Framer app into your Applications folder. If you're on Windows, you'll likely open the installer file and follow the setup prompts. Either way, just keep following the on-screen instructions until the installation is finished. After the app is installed, locate Framer on your computer and open it. The first time you launch it, Framer may ask for a few permissions or setup steps, so just allow what is needed and continue. You may also be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Framer account, simply log in with your email or connected sign-in method. If you're new to Framer, you can create an account and get started that way. Once you're logged in, Framer will open and you'll be ready to use the app. From there, you can start exploring the interface, creating projects, and building your designs. At this point, the app is fully downloaded and ready on your device. So just to quickly recap, go to framer.com/download, choose the correct download for Mac or Windows, open the downloaded file, install the app, and then launch Framer and log in. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.